So I broke down today. Had my bike, had some work done on it a couple of weeks back, and replaced the rear brake disc, had the timing belts done, my Hypermotard there. And today was the first big day for me to give it a run out, and I got out here to this beautiful area near Castle Peak Station. Absolutely stunning place. And seems they didn't secure my rear caliper or do the bolts properly, so the rear caliper ended up under my rear wheel, almost spat me off. And luckily I kept the bike up. I've got it parked, so I managed to lift up and get everything from underneath it. And you know, now it's about an hour and a half later. I've still probably got another 30 minutes to wait for the tow guy to get here. But yeah, just be careful, man. Shoddy work that some places do, and I mean, obviously there's worse places to break down, but it's still not fun all the same. Anyway, I'll let you know how the work goes on. I mean, hopefully, if that caliper's damaged beyond repair, they should be paying for it. You know, they didn't tighten it up the first ride out. Luckily, earlier I was doing a very high speed, and I guess thank my lucky stars it didn't come off then. Anyway, catch you soon.